Guru Gurwar. Most of us have health insurance, and the most important thing in health insurance is the claim settlement. Most of the times, people usually would complain that their claims do not get paid fully. There is part truth to this, but yet I will argue that it's never the same with most of the cases. It's partly true and partly false as well. So what's true and what's false? False that the claims aren't paid in full. But true, in these times of the pandemic, many of the hospitals are taking the patients for a ride, and hence they take it through the medium of the claim settlements. While you may be having a cashless policy or reimbursement, the hospital charges you a bill which will never be paid in full by the insurance company. Why is it so? You need to find out and watch this video in its entirety. My name is Rakesh Attangadi, your financial warrior, your Shubh Chintak, and without further ado, let's get invested. Whenever we get hospitalized, it would be in two places. Either it could be a cashless hospital or else a hospital wherein we could reimburse the bills that we have paid. In both these cases, the hospital would usually give you a bill. And this video is specific to the claims that we have encountered during this entire pandemic situation. What we have observed during this entire pandemic situation is that if you have a claim of around 80,000, even in a cashless hospital, the bill gets settled only for around 58 to 59,000. So what happens to the rest of the money? You may argue, right? This is a typical situation wherein some of the hospitals are fleecing the patients in the name of the pandemic. There is an important development that has happened ever since the last year when the pandemic hit us. So what has changed since the last 1 year when the pandemic hit us? The most important thing and the most important change has been brought by the regulators. The regulators now have actually declared what to pay, and there is a limit of each and every item that can be paid to the patient if they are being administered under the COVID situation. What the hospital does is that since we as patients are not aware, they will just bill us whatever that they feel like. So what could be the remedies that we have as patients, as customers? One, we need to tell the hospital clearly that they need to charge us under the protocol that has been laid down by the government. They cannot overcharge us, they cannot overbill us. How can we do that? Well, it's simple. Whenever we get admitted, we need to tell them that they need to bill us as per the protocol laid by the government. That will send some alarm bells to the hospital authorities and they will act accordingly. In case if they know that we are ignorant of this particular fact, they might bill me 10,000 rupees per day for that particular bed, wherein maybe the designated amount would be only 4,000 rupees per day. So we need to be aware of this particular situation. All the insurance companies have to adhere by this particular protocol set by the regulators and the government. They cannot pay you more. The insurance company will pay you in full in case if we have been hospitalized in a category hospital, and in terms of B category hospital, most of the times all the insurance companies usually will follow the protocol that has been laid by the regulator. We need to be aware of this particular point. What does happen in case if he has actually paid some excess amount of money to get himself or herself discharged from the hospital? In that particular scenario, what does one have? What does one have as a remedy? Well, it's simple. We can put that particular case towards reimbursement to the insurance company and seek some justice towards this. The insurance company will take it up with the hospital authorities and accordingly maybe strike a balance somewhere. Second, as customers, we have every right to go to the nearest police station and file a case against the hospital authorities since they have violated the particular protocol set by the government. In case if it is found true, the hospital can be taken for a task and can also be penalized, or in some cases can also be struck away from all of their registrations. So we need to be aware of our rights as customers, And of course the insurance company is there, but you need to remember as customers that in terms of any COVID related claims, the claims might in all probabilities not be paid to its fullest. There are other things that you will be paid your claims in totality, but in terms of the COVID situation, most of the times we have seen that it is close around 25 to 30%, to some extent 40%, that the clients are getting overcharged and overbilled. So please beware of this particular situation. Right at the onset, do tell the hospital authorities that you need to be billed only as per the protocol and as per the guidelines laid by the government. This was an important thing that I wanted to share. Do let me know if this has been useful. I'll be leaving a link of that particular guideline in the description box. Do go down, click on that so that you will get an entire list and the details of the same. Do let me know how did you like this particular video. In case if you have liked it, do consider subscribing to it, as well as share it, comment on the comment box, share it with your near and dear ones as well as your friends and colleagues. This is Rajesh Atangdi, your Shubchintak, your financial warrior, with the promise of getting yet another video next Thursday. Guru Gurwar.